Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to freeze rows or columns Excel 2025. Open your Excel file. There in the View menu, display the option Freeze Panes. You can select the option Freeze Top Row. Thus, when you go down, you will see that the first row will not move. Now, if you choose the option Freeze First Column, when you move sideways, the first column will remain fixed. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.